All right, so welcome back, guys. In this video, I want to do a trade review on Euro USD. What happened yesterday? Okay, now you can see this particular setup actually meets our requirement for a glory dim candle. And then, what are the requirement? You can see the last bullish candle before a bearish impulse, and that impulse took out swing points. You can see it took out swing points. You can see here from here. All right, so these are swing points that price took out when the impulse was coming down. But if you notice something that happened, price came to our POI and then closed above it. Yeah, it closed above our algorithm candle. I know that some of you might be discouraged and feel like, okay, this setup has, it has been invalidated. Of course, it has been invalidated, but there's a way we can trade it. Now, this your algorithm candle is still active, is still valid if price close back into the range. It's still valid if price close back into the range. Now you can see what happened. A bullish candle close above. Now let me use an arrow. You can see a bullish candle close above. What happened? A bearish candle close back into the range. A bearish candle, this one, close back into the range. All right. So this bearish candle that closed back into the range, okay, we are going to look for our POI either within our zone, this zone that got invalidated. So you can see, so this price closing back into the zone, right, still make the zone our POI. So our POI is still active because price has closed back into the range. So you can see this three candlestick pattern. Look at it. This three candlestick pattern is actually this three candlestick pattern is actually a reversal pattern. Okay, it's actually a reversal pattern that I use it for bias, and I also use it for entry on a lower time frame. Okay, so looking at this pattern now, you can see that it formed around our zone that got invalidated. It formed around our zone that got invalidated. You can see. So we have more like rally, base, drop. Okay, rally out of our zone, and then base, and then drop, closing back within our zone. You can see anything from here to here is our zone. Okay, so price close back into our zone, so which make this area here, let me use another color, red. Okay, this area here become our supply. You can see our sell zone. Now take note of these three candlestick pattern that I just show you. You can see this you can see, let me draw it here and see if I can. So this is a bullish candle, and here we have a bullish. It can be a bullish candle, it can be a bearish candle, but let's use a bullish candle, so you can see, and then we now have a bearish candle. Okay, so the bearish candle close below. You can see it closed back into the range. So let me paint this as red. So you can see a bearish candle close back into the range. Okay, so the moment price close below this base here, okay, I can look for entry. Okay, look for entry within the bearish candle that closed below this base here, and then it's become high probability if it engulf both this one and also this one. Okay, all right, so this is what I use this candlestick pattern for buyers, and also use it for entry. Okay, most time it's usually price usually come back within 50% of this bearish candle that closed between that closed back within the range. Okay, so let's check it out. You can see this is the bearish candle. Okay, you can see now. What do you notice? You can see that price came back to the 50% of that bearish candle that closed back within the range. And what happened? Price tap it and the price drop. Okay, and then another thing that we can also do. I think this bullish candle too. But I use the bearish candle. I use the bearish candle most time. Okay, the bearish candle that close with back into the range. So you can see price played out very well. Price played out very well. So let's go to GU. I think I saw something also in GU. I think I saw something also in GU. GU played around yesterday, but it still gave us a very good setup. Very good setup. Okay, so you can see this guy meets up with our requirements for an algorithm can do, because look at it, this is a swing point. So an impulse took out this swing point. So the last bullish candle before the bearish impulse is our algorithm candle. So you can see what happened. Price came, and then you can see it gave us rejection at our POI, and then look at it, it dropped. So guys, go back to your chart, practice. It's not just about learning the concept. Uh, you have to go to the market, analyze it, practice. Okay, it is a consistent practice that makes perfect. I hope this video makes sense and it helps you. My name is Coach Ayawale.